Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now first things first, we need to open up a web browser. Microsoft Edge is normally installed by default, and we want to search out for Firefox. It should come up to the top here. We can select this install here. However, I like to go into it. I don't know why, it's just personal preference. And once we're in the website, we'll see download Firefox here, and we want to press that. You'll see at the top then, it just pops up to install. Let's open up the folder so we can delete the installation file later on. Here's the installation file, Firefox installer, double click it. Now depending on the speed of your computer will determine how long this takes to install. Normally web browsers are only small, so it should be relatively quick. But we can see it's working as the mouse keeps getting this little circle and a loading sign. There you go. That's all we need to do. We've installed it. We can go through all this information here. I'll just skip it for now. Skip. I'll just skip all this. You can just exit away if you don't want to watch it, or you can start browsing once you've done it. There we go. We've installed Firefox, and it's here, automatically been put on our desktop toolbar. We can exit all this away. Don't forget to delete the installation file. I'll delete these others also, as I have left them in my download section, so we can delete them now we've installed it. Firefox has automatically added it to the desktop also. If you don't want it on the taskbar, for instance, you can right click it and unpin from taskbar. If you ever want it back, bring it up, right click, pin to taskbar. Now, the first time you load up Mozilla Firefox, it will ask you if you want to make Firefox your primary browser. Just select make primary browser, and then anything you open on the internet, like a link or anything like that, it'll open in Mozilla Firefox. Or you can select not now if you never want it to be. Select don't show this message again, and then not now. However, if you don't select a choice here, it will keep popping up every time you load. So make your choice and it won't pop up any longer. I'll just select not now for now. There you go. Hopefully you found this video helpful how to install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.